Hello, good evening. So I'm quickly going to break down Ethereum and Bitcoin, share my thoughts anyway. We have on the daily time frame price just being squeezed in this consolidation, and either way it's going to break out one way or the other. If I was looking for the upside, this high is key for me, so I've marked that out. You can see it's struggling already at this area, but if we get that daily close and retest of resistance could turn to support, and then we could look for an entry up to take out this high and then possibly even this high. But whilst it's inside this consolidation and whilst it's failing to break above this high, I would actually look for some selling opportunities and back down to previous structure. So down here I've marked out this high, as I feel like it's untested. We've had that break, we haven't really retested that high. So let's go down into the hourly time frame and see if we can get involved. So obviously if we do get that break higher and out, I wouldn't be looking for any shorts, but whilst we're in this consolidation and at the top of the range, shorts are still in play. So let's take a look at structure. What's holding up this market? Well, here is what I have. We have support here, and support here. I've marked out Monday's high, and I've marked out Monday's low, and I've marked out Monday's midpoint. And if we can break down something like this, so we've took out a high, we failed to make a higher high. If we can break down, break structure, and then break below either Monday's high, Monday's midpoint, any one of those levels, then I would look for a day trade down into that level at 272. So that's really it, plain and simple. Looking for a breakdown until we get that daily close outside. I'm remaining bearish whilst in this consolidation, and it's very similar for Bitcoin. So let's go out to Bitcoin. Daily chart, price is being squeezed, but I have a little bit, the structure is a little bit different. I've marked out this support and resistance, and I've also marked out a key high. So let's just go down and look at this key high. You can see we're failing to close above that. We failed yesterday, and it looks like we'll fail today as well. Unless we get a daily close and retest that level, we could play it up into that resistance around 45k, and maybe even up into 46k. But once it's breaking down below here, shorts could be in play. So let's just mark out Monday's range. I'll just mark it out quickly. This is a candle. And let's go down into the hourly time frame. So let's get a little bit of structure, taking this low. What's holding up the market? Support, support, support. We also have this high being taken out, failure to make a higher high as of yet. So if we do get that breakdown below Monday's high and then stay below that higher time frame structure as well, we could get a day trade back down into probably at least 40k, maybe 39.6 is the area that I would look to take profit on that. So yeah, price is being squeezed. There's not really much to do for a higher time frame point of view until we get that breakout. But while price is in consolidation, you should just look to sell the highs and look to sort of buy once we come into structure. So all in all, looking for some selling opportunities until those breakouts. Any questions, don't be scared to reach out, and wish you a profitable week.